Hey, good morning, everybody. Today we're here in Canton, Georgia for the monthly car show they have here. And if you're not familiar with Canton, Georgia, it's probably about 45 minutes outside of Atlanta to the north of Atlanta. But anyway, it's the first time at this show here. But anyway, we're going to go out here and take a look, see who showed up today. And as always, we want to invite you to join us. So let's take a look at this local car show. Okay, let's start off with this 1970 Chevelle Super Sport. Still got the original style Super Sport wheels on there with the beauty rings. Nice paint on this car. And it does have the 454 cowl induction. Really clean under here, isn't it? This car very original looking inside and appearance wise outside. Got the dual gate shifter. Got personalized plates, says 70 Vail. Beside him is this little Mustang GT. Got the 5.0 in here. I did notice it is a manual transmission in this car. He has upgraded to Ricardo seats in here. I hope I'm getting you good pictures because in this sun I can't see my screen very well because of the glare. Let's move on down. Look, here's a Nova, and it's showing to be a Super Sport. Got the old diamond tuck style stitching there on the seats. I like the gauge cluster there. Got the Krager chromes on here and got it lifted just a little in the back, it looks like. Showing 383 badging there on the hood, so it is a stroker. Okay, and look at the old Chevy pickup truck here from the mid-60s. And I recognize these wheels, but I can't think off the top of my head what they came off of. I'm sure a lot of y'all probably recognize them too. This one is a long bed. Okay, and this one is still a 6-cylinder. Very possibly the engine that came in here. Got the engine or the tire cover here. Over here it says 62 Chevy. Okay, take a look at this little fastback Mustang right here. And it does look like he's dressed up the engine quite a bit. 347 stroker. It's upgraded to a serpentine build in here. And look at that. It's got the pony interior in here. Nice car. Here's a little Pontiac Sotus. These are starting to show up more and more at the car shows as they're getting a few years on them. And if you remember, they had a sister car, which was the Saturn Sky, that were almost identical other than the bodies.
Where do you live now? Fairmont?
I haven't seen one yet, but I'm sure somebody somewhere has dropped a V8 in one of these. Here's a 1986 Suburban. Looks like they've lowered it and put some nice wheels on there. Has updated the engine a little bit there, added headers to it. Okay, from the Suburban, let's move over here to the old Ford Woody wagon, which was kind of like the Suburban of yesteryear. Really nice wood on this one right here. It does have the surfboards on top. Yeah, those surfboards give it that California beach vibe to it. But he does have a flathead V8 with 2 carbs in here. And really nice upgraded leather interior in here. Really nice car. I like the wood paneling on the sides there. Pretty neat. Beside him is this Corvette. He's upgraded to aftermarket wheels on here, and those wheels got a lot of shine to them there. But has color matched the engine cover there. And look at that, it's got a mural under the hood of a Eagle, and got a Route 66 badge there. Okay, yeah, look, there's a 58 or 59 Ford wagon there. Really short. Added some speakers back here in the tailgate and back here, and look, there's even a screen. Put on a whole show back here. Okay, look at the engine cover here. Is that the clown from that movie? And I don't know the name of the movie. Is it or something like that? But anyways, definitely had an engine swap there. And the windows are up, so I can't get a good shot of the interior, but it is black leather and looks like it's got red trim accents on it. The windows are tinted pretty good, so I can't really get a good look. Here's a second generation Corvette. If you notice, I'm in a different area where I was filming at just now. My camera overheated and shut down on me, so I had to let it cool off a little bit. A nice little Corvette, got the side pipes. Steel 327 in here. And look, nice leather seats in here. Yeah, nice little Corvette. There's a bright red S10. I bought the S10 new in '95, and I still own it. I drove it to work and back for almost 30 years. He has dropped a LS in here, which I'm sure does a lot better than my little 4-cylinder. Ford cut down here. Got the wire wheels on there. Got the flathead V8 here with 2 cars. Little whip wagon. Look at this little Mercury right here. Tag says no high tech. So let's see. Yeah, he's still running an old flathead Ford here. Look at the little gold 67 Camaro over here. Got the rally wheels on it. Look at this 66 Chevelle Malibu here. It's got old style American mags on it. Got a really good stance. I like that, and I like the wider tires and wheels on there also. Still got old 327. It's automatic on the column. Does have bucket seats though. Really nice Chevelle here. I like this one. Here's a little 66 or 67 Chevy Nova. It is a post car. Look what he's done here to the engine. It's a small block with a Edelbrock cross ram there. 2 Holly 4 barrels. That looks nice in there. Okay, here's another little Chevelle Malibu. The 64, 65 model, I believe. And they are turning the music up on me here. So I'm gonna have to make sure I talk over it or take really short clips. And look what they've done to this El Camino here. I believe it's a 69 model. It's got a 96 rock tag on there, but it's not upside down, which was really popular around this area for years. It has been LS swapped. And it's turbocharged, but the turbo is back here in the bed. Notice he's got a Dale Earnhardt shifter knob. Here's a 96 Mustang Cobra SVT, which I think stands for Special Vehicle Team. Here's another newer Dodge Challenger here. It's a wide body 392. Got the Super B package on it here. Here's a little BMW here, which I don't know a lot about BMWs, but I have driven a few and they drive really nice. Couple of Corvettes that aren't really that old, but still not new Corvettes. Here's one of the new Corvettes with the rear engine. Okay, the engine bay on this Camaro here looks really good. Let me show it to you. That is a really good looking engine in there, the way it's dressed up. Really like that. Manual transmission car, which is always a plus. A little 65 Fury 3 Plymouth. Again, he's got old style American mags on here. Well, very original looking interior. Nice little Ford Roadster. I think it's a 33 or a 34. Tag says 33 on here, so I guess it's a 33 model. Look at the black Ford Galaxy there. That's a sharp car. Got it lifted a little bit in the back. And this is around a 65 model. I like the body on these, but you don't see a whole lot of them at the car shows. And the ones you do see, this is one of the nicer ones that I've seen.
Look, I don't know if you know.
Look at that, still got the old original style mat back here in the back, it looks like. A little Porsche again, I don't know very much about Porsches. They say they handle great. That little Datsun 240Z right there. You don't see them a lot, but they're really fun cars. I had a buddy that had one. His was yellow, and we had a lot of fun in that car. And I would usually ride in the front, and he had a brother that would sit back here in the hatch area most of the time. I always liked the way the gauges are molded in up there. I think the Torino did that for a while back during the Talladega days. If I'm not mistaken, that 2 carb setup is actually factory. I think they all came like that. And I could be wrong because I hadn't seen these in a long time. But from what I can remember, yeah, it come with 2. You don't see these very often, and the prices went through the roof on these cars when you do find one in good condition. You like a little Volkswagen bus here. That bright blue and white look good. looks like his visors down here in the back. Wow, look at that 62 Chevrolet right there. Oh, that looks really nice. Those aftermarket gauges look good, and custom interior. Yeah, really nice. Looks like he's LS swapped it here. Oh, really clean car right here. Here's another nice little 33 or 34. Or I think it is anyway, but anyway, got a little pinstripe flame job on there. I'll show it to you. Got a flame job on the interior there on the inner panel. But anyway, here's the one on the door here. The Dodge Super Bee right here. Be a 1970 model. It's got this front nose ring here, this chrome. And look at that. I wasn't expecting that. There's a 426 Hemi with 2 4s on it. That's would be called the race Hemi, I think. That's really cool. Was not expecting that at all. Wow. He's upgraded to SRT seats in here. Those boosters probably help keep him in place when he's got his foot in that Hemi there. Got dump exhaust up here. There's a flame Corvette convertible here. And there's a nice 73 model Corvette in that, looks like green metal flake. Got the rally wheels on there, which I think those look really good on these Vettes. It is a manual transmission. Okay, here's another Go Corvette convertible here. This will be like 69 through 72, somewhere in that era. Here's a Z06. Got the wing on the back there. That always looks cool. I know either you love them or you hate them, but I fall in the camp of I really like them. Let me put me in that camp. I don't know the year model of this, but this is generation just before what we have now with the mid-engine. This was the last generation with the front engine. And we're in Corvette Road right now, aren't we? A lot of Corvettes over in this area. Got the knockoff style wheels on this one. Become auction tag on here. Hey, check out the 55 two-door hardtop there in kind of a red and white. Got the looks like oversized wheels with low profile tires there. Has definitely been engine swap. No longer has the 265. Look, they put a hood or a trunk emblem back here in the under the hood there. Still original style seating in here. Oh, his emblem back here is the third brake light now. So maybe that emblem under the hood came from back here. Generally is out and about, which we are in Georgia, where the show is set in Hazard County. And this one has a 440 in here. I do see he has the air horns there to play Dixie also. Here's a little Saline Mustang. And with a Saline, you always get your production number of the run right here. Here's a little Ford Focus ST, which again, here's a car I don't know a lot about, but they do have it all spoiled up and everything. And I think it came from the factory like that. Seeing these before. This is a little Morris truck, and I do see Morris Miners pretty often, but hadn't seen this particular truck before. Little, very small little 4-cylinder in here. Okay, here's a little Fox body convertible.
I apologize.
And it looks like he's got slicks on the back there. He's got a roll cage in here. Looks like he's done a little racing. And they're almost slicks. Look at that, 7.3.
Really pretty cars.
And there it is. Look at that. Boy, he stuffed a lot in here, didn't he?
They have an engine up here. They just started up a couple minutes ago.
You might need that with roll cage.
For coming as usual and helping support this group. They'll take care of you up here if you need some car polishes and wax there for different flavors.
You got a couple more of the newer Corvettes here.
And they'll take care of that. We also like to thank the Rocket Man, Greg, for being here today. It's a pretty cool thing what he does.
79 Corvette. All the kids. Says it was a barn find that has been completely restored.
Everybody in need. How's that sound? You have to be present for the raffle when that comes up in October. All right, because I know people buy these. An AR-15, and then we usually come up with some other stuff in between to get some more stuff. Tickets are $5 each. They're $5 for $20. Come up and see George or one of the ladies up here, and they'll take care of them. Fundraiser and do the.
Here's a little Austin Healey, and the kind of turquoise, blue, green color and white. Kind of gives me, reminds me of the '57 Chevy in a way. The colors.
This car, ladies and gentlemen, is just called Cool.
And this one's got 2 carbs off also, and I think they
and
probably came that way
again
from the factory.
Today is our 60s day, so you hear stuff from 1965 on between two, but even back when New York was the
Hey, look at the little MG here. You see them at car shows every now and then, but not a lot. This one's in really good condition, it looks like. Wow, look at this Corvette here. One of the first generation. It's got the 4 headlight system, so it'll be somewhere between 58 and 62. But I don't know the exact year, but that's a really sharp car. And this beside this fantastic 57 Chevy, which I think these are brought here by Georgia Mountain Customs. Really fantastic paint on this 57 here. And here's a 67 Camaro convertible. Got the rose stripe on it. Really well dressed up engine bay there. It says this is a 34 Buick. Really nice, got the wire wheels on it. Got a 455 Buick in here now. Okay, and here's a 67 GTO. Looks like it's been lowered a little bit. Has aftermarket wheels there. Real industrial looking big block in here. Another little MG. A little brighter green, I think, than the other one was. Okay, here's the old Ford Bronco. Four-wheel drive's got the whited out wheels there.
It looks cool, but if you want drivability,
It still has original engine in here. Okay, here's another 1970 Chevelle Super Sport. This one also has the factory Super Sport wheels on here. Got the dual gate shifter. Very stock looking in here. This one has a 396. The other one we saw had the 454 in it a while ago. Okay, here's a 66 Chevelle. Got the rally wheels with the red line tires on it. And it looks like it's been lifted a little in the front and back. He is running the 396 in here. And he does have manual transmission in this one. Here's a little Nova Super Sport. Around 63, 64, somewhere in that era. '64, the tag says. This is a floor shift automatic though. And got the spinner top hubcaps on here. Here's a little Ford. I'm thinking it would be late 40s. Could make it to 50. It does have a small block Chevy in here. Getting over there. It's pretty nice. Got the, I think these come off of a Camaro, didn't they? I could be completely wrong, but I think they might have. Reminds me of some of the late 70s, maybe early 80s. Could just be aftermarket, I don't know. Oh, look at that. That's not what came in here, is it? Okay, beside him is a little Nova, a few years older than he is. He's 66 or 67, 666 it says on the tag. Look at that. That wasn't stock in here either, was it? Really nice custom seats in here. Look at that red four-wheel drive sitting up there. I guess mid-80s, somewhere in there. Really straight, got good paint on it to be a four-wheel drive. Here's an old Chevy Fleet Master here. Got the Super Duty wheels on here. What my camera do? Yeah, I got Super Duty wheels on here. Manual transmission, the seat and everything looks very original. I like the Pontiac arrowheads there in the seat. There's a little Red Express pickup there. Well, that one looks really good condition. The wood's even in really good condition. 360 Express, it says on the breather there. The wood on this one's really good. Well, everything's really good. The paint's good, the chrome's good. It's a nice pickup. Hey, look at that, y'all. A Thomas Flyer. That is just awesome. You don't see these on the road. You see them in museums every now and then. But that is just really something there. Still got the old wooden wheels. It's during the brass age. Look at all that brass work. And these are actually lanterns. You light a wick in there. Isn't that something? There's your bowl where you roll up your wick. Yeah, things have definitely changed. They've restored this one really nice, so I mean, look at that seat in there. It's fantastic. And look at this down here, chain drive. Yeah, we've changed a lot since back then. Still got the old hand crank here on the front. Beside him here, this is Lozier. Is that how you pronounce the name? Again, I know nothing about these cars other than I see them in museums every now and then.
50s and 60s traffic. Garbage trucks, 50s, 60s garbage trucks.
Built on here, the way it's put together. Here's a nice little C10. Looks like it's got oversized wheels and maybe lowered a little bit. Okay, and here's another 1970 Chevelle Super Sport. He's got the Firestone wide oval tires on here, which may be what came on this years ago. He's got the 454 in here also. Here's a little 66 Mustang, kind of a, I'm going to call it, what's called Silver Blue is the name of the paint. They got it right here on the poster board. It has the pony interior with a few custom touches to it there with that console. It is a manual transmission. A 72 Monte Carlo, a black Fairlane, and we saw the Galaxy a while ago. Well, y'all, that's about it from the car show here in Canton today. I really appreciate you watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd appreciate you to subscribe and hit that like button. That always helps the channel out. But till we see you again in another video, may God bless you. Bye, y'all.